Fudgy, what do you think of our new little robot vacuum friend?
We're gonna have to give him a name.
Oh my god, what is that thing?
I don't like it.
I'm coming to hide. Mom, save me, Mom.
I don't like it at all. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's totally cleaning around the edges. That's awesome. It like cleaned right up against our... What's going on here, mister?
Mom, I don't like it!
That's our new vacuum friend.
That's Fudgy's fine with it.
Oh.
It's going under our couch and everything. Oh, hit a bump.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh,
no. No, don't go in there. Whoa, that's a lot of dust that just got under there.
Like, no. Ooh. Ooh,
Yes.
I'm so pleased with you.
Excellent.
What should we name him?
I don't know.
We have to name him something. This video is definitely for my mom and dad.
Okay.
This is what I came to Korea for.
Yes. We are living in the future! How you doing, Spudgy? I don't like it, I'm afraid. Look at him hiding behind you. Poor sweet puppy, he's so scared. Spudgy, what's that? Spudgy, what's that? Oh, he's gonna go investigate. Ooh, it's... Oh, Spudgy, don't be afraid, guy.
Mom, this robot creation would kill us all.
Don't you see, Mom? Don't you see? This is the beginning of the end.
Let's see if the magnetic strip works.
Okay.
It's going straight for the magnetic strip.
Go, 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 go. Now is the moment of truth. That's the magnetic strip. That tells it not to fall into the bathroom. Awesome. Turn around and sleep back there. Spudgy, it's okay. It's okay. He's your new best friend. Don't run away from him. Question, Spudgy. If we were to put a bunny cushion on it, would you hump it?
Probably. Yes. I'm like blown away right now.
Me too. Samsung, you have impressed us.
You have really impressed us, Samsung. We thought that underneath our bed would have been the death trap. Look at how it goes around those corners. Wow. What are we going to name him?
I don't know.
He deserves a name.
What do you think we should name it? I think, the succubus.
Oh no, succubuses are bad.
No, because it's like a...
I feel like it's a he. I feel like he's our personal butler. What do we call him?
Something with
Like,
sucking.
The devil.
Something with sucking. Either like a vampire or succubus, I think.
Okay, let's call him a really good vampire name, like
Okay.
Nostro. What's it called?
Lestat. The vampire Lestat.
Lestat? The vacuum Lestat.
Well, that's not funny. The vampire
The
Lestat.
vampire vacuum Lestat.
Okay.
Okay, his name.
Spudgy, no, don't smell the dust. It's not for you to eat. It's for Lestat.
It was my dust.
But the fiber cleans is. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Puppy.
It's coming back for you, Spudgy. Spudgy, it's okay. Don't be afraid. Spudgy, don't be afraid. It's okay.
Chasing down.
Spudgy! Sorry, little guy. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you.
He's having a vampire.
It wants to suck my sweet spongy blood. Oh no, it's coming for him again.
It's coming for you, Spudgy.
Everywhere he goes, the stack goes after him. He's like, that dog is a dust bunny, must destroy, must destroy.